Brazilian referee is caught red-handed on TV urinating on the middle of the pitch without taking his shorts down just seconds before the start of cup match. A referee relieved himself within the center circle after being stuck short seconds earlier than the start of a cup suit in Brazil. Denis Silva Ribeiro serafim peed in his pants without taking his shorts down as he became being filmed on TV in advance of 45 minutes of first half action. He did it so discreetly the commentator did not select up on the terrific moment as he delivered the in-shape legitimate and linesman simply earlier than the start of the Copa do Brasil meeting between Boa Vista and Goiás on Thursday. But eagle-eyed visitors observed the telltale urine running down the referee's leg, and the photos started going viral as the healthy become being performed. The video showed De Silva loosening his shorts after glancing at the back of his returned and peeing honestly over the suit ball before stepping away from the center circle like a person who has simply tripped in the street and breaks right into a run to cover up his gaffe. A moist patch may be visible around his private parts, suggesting he had run out of time to use the toilets in his converting room before heading onto the pitch.
Please subscribe, like, share, and do not forget to comment in our comments section. Your comments are very much valuable for us. Please press the bell icon to get all the latest videos.